model from day one. I think you may know BPL is the first company to launch cellular in India. Then I moved to Arcom, Reliance Communication. After that, I moved to, now I'm currently with Jio. Most of you know Jio is thriving to the core. Since I'm in the technology platform, I'm very interested in the technology because each and every technology evaluation will create certain amount of industrial business oriented. Each and every innovation caters a new segment of the people. That segment will create a huge business because we are all experiencing the same manner for the past 20 to 25 years. Since we are all in the telecom industry. Praveen also in the telecom industry is attached with the device. He started this in telecom from Nokia. Then now he is leading as a state head in Xerox Communication now currently. But Praveen is taking a totally now he is concentrating in the crypto platform. Fine friends, most of you had attended the session, I think so. If you want to explain the cryptocurrency, basically I will do it. Or otherwise, if you want to have if you are having any doubts to be cleared, I think I can clear your doubts. It's up to you how to take it, sir. Please, Murugavel sir, எப்படி நம்ம போலாம்? இல்ல each and every one doubt clarify பண்ணிடலாமா ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும்?
That mainly in Tamil actually. Now some of the people are there in English, and last time also said Sarivalagan, even though it's Tamil, last time he could not able to connect the system. Okay. So the video and audio you cannot able to connect. That is the reason now mainly for the Buzzlure when we are organizing, I thought that other people can also join. Just you can 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you can use that what is cryptocurrency and how it is going to rule the world and what is our Buildex. And further to that, you can, like I told already Praveen, at least you can take it up in the manner that what is the plans are available and why these plans are there now. What is the use of investing and with the present scenario, like that kind of things now. Because most of my team already I discussed something in our office also sometimes when we are free. So they want to hear from your words and what is the plans and what is this, how to go about it in the, that is the intention of this meeting actually.
Fine, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Murugavel. Sir, just I will give an introduction about the industry. Friend, I think I will give my introduction. It will be very helpful for you also to clarify and how I step into the industry. Since I'm in the communication industry, I got a call from a friend from 2013 from Australia. He's close friend from me from the school days. He just informed me about the cryptocurrency. He's just the first person to introduce about the Bitcoin to me. My audio is clear, sir? Audio is clear? Fine, thank you. He's the first person to inform me about the crypto industry on 2013. He taken almost in a week to explain me total in and out of the crypto. But I think that I'm not having on the time I'm not interested in the platform. Just for I'd skip this what the opportunity. On 2017, I got the opportunity from a friend from Singapore. After he came from the Singapore, he explained me about the Bitcoin and the ATMs there. They started about the transaction and all. On 2013, my friend explained me it's the price about only 7 to 10,000 rupees per coin. On 2017, it's about 4 to 5 lakhs. I just astonished how the product got a huge value. So I invested my friend immediately about almost a couple of lakhs to learn about the product and the services, how it is going to get an impact around the world. I almost taken 1 year for in a learning mode. I attended a lot of session on blockchain in Bangalore, Bombay, and overseas seminars also. I just started also how this cryptocurrency had evolved and now how it's getting shaped. I will explain you simple about 5 to 10 minutes. I think it will be very useful for you, each and everyone. This industry is born on 2008 by an anonymous person called Satoshi Nakamoto. He's a Japanese person. He confirmed him as I'm a Japanese person. He doesn't reveal his face or identity till now. He invented a product called Bitcoin, and the underlying the product, the base technology is called blockchain technology. I think each and everyone got introduced about it. You may heard a word about the blockchain technology. Friend, I will tell you, now the blockchain technology has a very initial stage in the entire globally. After a decade, almost not a decade, within a couple of years, we can see almost 20 to 30% of the corporate will be adopting the blockchain products. These blockchain products, how it is, I will give a simple example. In online platform, anything you cannot keep very, very secretly. It can be any hacked in a software format or so online format also. If you want to keep your data safe and secure, the only way to secure your data is converting the data server into a blockchain as a decentralized server. This is a unique functional of the Bitcoin. He introduced on 2008, stating that no one can hack my data or product. He challenges the country. On 2008, a lot of IT people, giants and the companies, they started what to see his product, and and his challenge also. Yeah. Just a minute. Seeing his product also, they try to what to say prove his product is wrong, but unfortunately, his products got strengthened and strengthened because it's a decentralized platform. It works on a cloud model. Friends, I think you know about cloud computing and cloud. Before 2008, all the data is kept in a server, in a single location. For example, if you are having your bank account, the data will be kept in a static server. They'll be having a backup server also. But this server has to be protected through a lot of firewalls. It costing too much. It may incur about crores and crores of rupees to keep the data very, very safe to avoid the hackers. But unfortunately, a lot of hackers come into this server. They hack a lot of data from that. I think the threat is there across the globe. When the internet got invented and not already each and every data is connected through internet. What this blockchain helps means entirely the data is not kept in a single server. It's now kept in a decentralized server. How the decentralized server works? For example, I will explain you. If anyone now, Mr. Parthiban is having his mobile phone and is want to try to download a banking app, for example, a state bank banking app, that banking app will be demanding about 25 MB of the space to get downloaded. If we start downloading the app, the app got downloaded in his mobile, but if you find that space, it may took not about 25 MB, it may take in the space up to 50 MB of space from his memory from his phone memory. I think this may be helpful. This 25 MB space is taken for an app to run. Rest of the 25 MB space is taken by the app, from each and every user, and the cumulative space from each and every user is made as a server, cloud server. And from the server, the data starts working, that app starts working without any backup. I think that SBI is not working in this manner. I'm explaining you how the cloud server is formulated. The cloud server is not in a static server. It's spread across each and every user. The space taken from each and every user, cumulative space is taken as a server, then the products start running from that. This is the technology called cloud technology. It's first invented by the Satoshi Nakamoto for his product called Bitcoin. What's the unique of the product is no one can go and tamper and alter the data, because each and every data is available across the decentralized nodes. For example, if 10,000 people are using the server, accessing the product, means 10,000 nodes will be created. That 10,000 nodes will be carrying each and every data in the system. No one can go and alter a single data from one system, because if you want to change the entire data, you have to access all the 10,000 nodes only. You can change the data. I think you can understand me. Okay, sir. Therefore, this cloud server started keeping the data very, very safe, so that the Bitcoin also started expanding by the user. Initially, it's coined the price only for 40 paise. Now the Bitcoin is moved up to almost 7 lakhs per coin because of that. The security is getting increased day by day. If users increase, the security starts increasing. Okay, fine. Okay, what's the help of blockchain and how it is evolved? What will be the impact in the industry? I will explain you through a small. Sorry, எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் இது பண்றீங்களா?
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
ஹோஸ்டா மாத்துறீங்களா ஒரு ஹோஸ்டா?
ஓகே, மாத்திட்டேன் சார். டன் சார்.
No worries, sir. Friends, most of you had seen this slide. I will explain you this slide. I think it will be eye-opening for us. It's eye-opening for me also. This is a global industrial index slide. They are taken about 3 commodity on the line. One is oil, another is gold, another one is crypto. Why they are taken means they are analyzing all the 3 commodities across the globe. On 2015, oil industry created about 1.5 trillion turnover across the globe, friends. If you see that one, the oil industry got a 99.9 penetration across the globe. Each and every human being is using the oil and oil products. Second stands to gold. It's created about $157.94 billion turnover. Mostly the gold has been bought as an asset and also an ornamental value. Almost 40 to 50% of the global population holds gold. 40%. Then stands crypto as a 4 to 5 billion market share on 2015, friends. You see, on current scenario, let us take it up 2019 and 20. The oil market is sliced to 1.7 trillion business across the globe. So then second, gold is pushed to the third position. But even though gold rise from 157.94 to 175, but the crypto industry starts booming up. Now it's about $267.5 billion business across the globe. What it shows, friends, almost 3% of the population across the globe has been invested now in cryptocurrency. Rest of 97% population is kept open. Now the industry started growing. Almost on 2015, not even 1% of the population has been invested. Now almost 2 to 3% has been invested. The market share is 267.5 billion. Within couple of years, friends, you see what the market anticipate, what their statistical data reveals means. Future data reveals cryptocurrency industry will touch about to $40 trillion business. You see, friends, it's almost 20 times higher than the oil trade. Oil only will be around 2 trillion. My oil has been moved from 1.7 trillion to 2 trillion. Then gold moved from 175 billion to 200 billion. But crypto industry has a huge future. Now I will explain you why this crypto industry, how the crypto industry will gear up into this, how so much of large size. Friends, last 5 years before, I'm a traditional businessman. I'm a mobile distributor across the, I'm in and around Salem. I'm a Geo mobile distributor. We sold all the products only through offline channel, friends, only through retailers. Our products will give to the retailer will sell the product, in turn they will give the money money to us. What the scenario has happening today, almost 40% of the sales is now through online. Friends, before 5 years, there is no online platform. Now the online platform has been emerged. What the industrial data reveals means within 2025, within 5 years, friends, 80% of the products and services will be sourced through online only. Offline market share will decrease from 80 to 20%. What this gives a platform means, this platform give a very good opportunity for the online digital transactions, online crypto industries, because these online crypto industries, because the transaction cost is very, very less. Second, the conversion of money is very, very low. Most of you are in overseas, I think so. If I am having about 76 rupees with me, I can buy an American dollar. If I want to buy a dollar, I have to give a premium of 2 to 3 rupees to buy a dollar. Well, they will be demanding about 1 or 2 rupees excess. I have to pay 2 rupees. For example, 76, if it's priced at 76, I have to pay 77 or 78. When I want to liquidate, I have to pay a little bit. I will receive only 1 or 2 rupees lesser than the market value. Once you convert your INR to US dollar and then US dollar to INR, this incurs a huge loss for us. The conversion charge is very, very huge. In future, friends, there will be no fiat currency will be involved in online transaction. Why? Because the conversion cost will be pinching us huge. Now, what's the alternative way they are dealing with now is they are dealing with the cryptocurrencies, because the conversion cost from one crypto is another crypto is very, very less than 0.02% in the exchanges. Second, the conversion speed is very, very huge. Instantly, I can convert my INR to any cryptocurrency, Beldex or Bitcoin. Then I can convert my Bitcoin to Beldex immediately to my INR. Okay, friends. I think that I have given a picture. This slide shows that India adopted cryptocurrency from almost 2013, but our Supreme Court give a huge way for each and every investor. They can buy cryptocurrency from their own bank account. They can liquidate the cryptocurrency and get back their account instantly. Friends, the highest liquidity ratio in the entire global is gold. You can buy gold within a minute. You can sell gold within a minute also. The second, now the highest liquidity ratio is not gold, friends. It's a crypto asset. You can buy crypto asset 24/7, 365 days at the nook and corner of your world. Then you can sell also there anywhere from America also, from Russia also. We can get back our currency immediately as a fiat currency. This is the slide which shows that India is thriving crypto. Despite of COVID virus crisis, crypto exchanges in India are witnessing an increasing trading volume. I think most of the people may know this gentleman is called Robert Kiyosaki. He's a great and renowned author of economist also. He lives in America, but what he is telling that Bitcoin is a real money. Robert Kiyosaki believes that Bitcoin is a real money that can prevent the United States Federal Reserve from screwing everyone by printing trillions of dollars. How the inflation created, friends, because of each and every government is started printing their own currency to avoid to meet out the recession period. Once they started printing the currency, means what happens now? The product value is gone down. The inflation started increasing. Now what Robert Kiyosaki says is a real time for Bitcoin means the size of the total volume of the Bitcoin is fixed. For example, it's only 2 crore and 10 lakhs. The total volume of Beldex is also fixed. It's only 140 crore. No one Beldex or one Bitcoin can be added to the system. So that only the product is getting demanded day by day, friends. You see this, what has this slide shows, crypto is cash equivalent. Bank of America states in a notice that all cryptocurrency purchase will be treated as a cash equivalent, and this applies to all BOE credit cards purchase as well. Almost, friends, in United Kingdom, 2.6 million people bought crypto and 1.9 million people still hold it. How the value of the gold still prevails and got increasing day by day, because this gold is accumulated by the people. They are keeping it as an asset. They are ready to liquidate. Aதாவது, I can tell you that how the pricing of the commodity is fixed means because of the supply and demand. The two parameters only determine the product of the pricing. If demand increases, that means if the buying power, if the people for buying increases, the product value will increase. If the people start selling, the product value will be, what to say, it will be reduced. This is the thumb rule of each and every commodity across the globe, friends. You see, because I am not telling this 1.9 people still holding it, what it shows means the people bought the crypto asset are not ready to liquidate now because they are expecting the price to be geared up more. This is the District of Columbia Bar has told lawyers working within the jurisdiction of Washington, they can now accept cryptocurrency as the form of the payment for legal services. This is friend. There's a PayPal is a payment gateway. Initially they denied supporting Bitcoin. Now they are supporting Bitcoin in their payment gateway. PayPal joining crypto payment services giant PayPal and are reportedly planning to roll out direct buying and selling of the crypto to its 325 million users via their wallets, inbuilt wallets. There's a massive Bitcoin adoption is going across US, friends. United States citizen can buy Bitcoin at over 20,000 retail shops using cash via Libertrex, the company behind the launch of the first Bitcoin ATM. Now, friends, almost there are about 8,000 Bitcoin ATMs across the globe. Each and every country has Bitcoin ATMs. According to the Coin ATM Radar reports that there are now about 8,299 Bitcoin ATMs in 73 countries, allowing users to buy and sell the Bitcoin and other crypto for cashes. In Australia, the scenario is totally different. You can buy Bitcoin through post office also. The government got accepted Bitcoin as a cash also there. Australian can now deposit money for a local Bitcoin exchanges at about 3,500 post offices. JP Morgan, each and every trader knows that JP Morgan prices Bitcoin. JP Morgan, Bitcoin critic JP Morgan has changed its view. JP Morgan also got a different view previously. Now they changed its views on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Now believes that cryptocurrency is here to stay as it managed to recover from the most volatile market in the margin. As Samsung also coming to the system, friends, in the blockchain. You see, Google is now started adopting blockchain and cryptocurrencies in their stream. They use the Theta Labs for video streaming platforms. And then Infosys also joined Matic. Matic is a crypto assets. What I am trying to explain you, friends, how the industry will gear up to $40 trillion transaction within a couple of years. Because now the people have started investing as an asset. Now they started using as an alternative currency for buying and selling also. This is a major market for us, friends. How the Beldex is used, Beldex will be, will be using this kind of market situation because Beldex is the latest 5th generation coin. It's a 5G technology. It's an advanced version in the entire blockchain mode. It's a privacy enabled currency. It's a 5th generation. The utility value is very, very high because the transaction speed is very higher than the Bitcoin. If I'm having a Bitcoin, I want to send my Bitcoin to Mr. Parthiban, for example, I'm telling you, I can transfer through wallets. If I transfer one Bitcoin to Mr. Parthiban, sir, he will receive the coin immediately, but the coin will take about 1 hour to 3 hours to get credited, confirm over the transaction. Minimum the Bitcoin needs about 2 to 3 transactions to be confirmed through the miner. If you go into the system deeply, we will know about what's the mining and how it is done. It's all of the artificial intelligence work, my friends. It takes time. Bitcoin takes time to transfer also. The cost of the transaction is very, very high in Bitcoin. If I want to send, for example, 1,000 rupees value of Bitcoin to Mr. Parthiban, it takes about minimum 50 to 60 rupees to get transferred. The transaction cost is very high in Bitcoin also. The transaction time is very, very high also. But in Beldex, the time is very, very instant. It's a lightning speed transaction. I can transfer instantly to Mr. Parthiban. The transaction charge is almost less than 7 paise for each and every transaction. This is a unique point so that each and every utility model will adopt crypto in future for the transaction as a global crypto asset, friends. Now we are in the right time, friends. Most of you are in business mode, I think so. More than 2 decades before, 20 years before, in 80s, I think 90s and 94, real estate is a peaker on that time. Sorry, share market is a peaker in that time, 80s and all. Those who invested about 1,000 rupees on 1984 on Infosys, now now they'll be valued more than crores and crores. On 2000 and also on 90s, mostly the real estate started picking up. Those who were invested on 90s on real estate, they made millions and billions of dollars. Now it's the right time to invest on crypto, my friends. It's the right time there because the industry is gearing up. Each and every industry started adopting the blockchain technology so that the cryptocurrency also will be having a huge market across the globe. Why we are suggesting now Beldex? Because I already explained you, Beldex is a 5th generation crypto asset. It's a privacy enabled coin. Second, they support 80% of the transaction on utility model. All the utility transaction it will be done through Beldex in the future. Now already we launched our exchanges also. It's a Sharia based exchange. We are having an AML certification also. It's a decentralized hybrid exchange. Most of the exchanges in crypto assets are all centralized model only. There is no decentralized model available currently. Very, very few exchanges in decentralized platform. Because this decentralized will create a huge security model for us. Each and every transaction is linked through blockchain in Beldex. Therefore, the technology is superior. The transaction speed is very, very high. So that since it is an initial launching time, it's up to just 4 to 5 rupees now currently. Almost for an average, we can take it up to 5 rupees. On previously about a couple of months before, on December, it's valued about 8 to 9 rupees. Since the COVID, it came down to 3. Now it's gearing up to 5. We are expecting the coin price to be reaching double digit within a couple of months. I think it's the right time to invest into the product and keep hold so that if the price increases, our asset value also increases in the long term, friends. Friends, I am suggesting you to hold the currency for minimum of 2 to 3 years so that the value will be huge. If it is double if you are investing on 5 rupees, let us take an example. If within the end of the year it moves to 10 rupees, then after in a couple of year it moves to about 20 to 30 rupees, means our asset value will be increasing very, very hugely. I think this gives you a picture about the industry across the globe. I just want to try to explain you how this industry got accepting over each and every online markets. The Google started accepting blockchain. Amazon started their own blockchain. My friend, I'm with Geo industry. I'm with Geo, associated with Geo. They are going to start a crypto asset called GeoCoin also. This is our chairman revealed is in an annual general body meeting last August. He told that Geo is going to invest on huge money on blockchain, developing their own blockchain also, so that each and every upcoming companies are coming into the system. I think we can be very proud that we are already in the system which the top giants are entering. Okay, friends. I think just I given a different dimension today, I think so. If anybody has any doubts to be clarified.
Actually, today...
tell me, sir.
Today actually I discussed with these guys. Basically, they are having some doubts. I consolidated the doubts. Since people are there, I can put this forward. Since you people are there, they are also there in this one. Now, what they are expecting, is it legal in India now? First question. Whether we are investing in these all cryptocurrencies, is it legal in India now? That was their doubt now first. You can explain them what is.
Yes, sir. Sir, our government started accepting as an asset model from 2013 itself. You can buy as an asset, you can keep it as an asset, you can liquidate it as an asset. But we cannot use as a legal tender. there are about two regulatory model across followed by each and every country. In Japan, they are having the two regulatory models. One is it gets viewed as an asset and it can be used as a legal tender also. But in India, you can invest as an asset model only. But legal tender, they are not accepting as a legal tender. That means, for instead of giving any rupee for the purchase, we cannot give a crypto. You have to give only rupee. Rupee is a first and ever tender value, but not any other commodity has not given any tender value. So that in India, it's legal to invest on cryptocurrencies through your bank account also. You can buy as an asset, you can keep as an asset, you can sell as an asset, you can show as an IT form also. It's a long-term capital gain. It comes under a long-term capital gain. Yes, sir.
Is it any taxable at present now itself, or it's in futurely that's going to be the tax portion for this now?
Yeah. Initially, now the buying and selling doesn't attract any GST for the crypto industries. Now they are not the GST component is not linked with the crypto currently, but you have to pay the income tax when you buy a product of, for example, for 2 lakh today, and within a year, after the end of the next year, you are selling for 5 lakh. Net gain is 3 lakh. You have to pay capital gain for 3 lakhs as a 30%. Which value percentage you come under? For example, 15 or 20% or 30%. You have to pay that capital gain tax. It's legal to pay tax.
As per the tax slab.
As per the tax slab, you are correct.
Okay, now the next question what they are asking, for example, now we are keeping this any cryptocurrencies in India as an asset now, how we can liquidate this as a cash now? Because yes, so far it's as per this one understanding, we explain them it's a peer-to-peer, it's a person to person, whatever it is there, it's a selling is happening. Now once if for example I purchased some coins, I don't have any buyers. At this day today I want to sell some coins, but there is no buyer. Is it possible, how to convert these coins into the Indian rupees to their accounts?
Yes, sir. Nice question. That this is the basic thing we have to know. Then only we will be having a confidence on buying a cryptocurrency as an asset. Friends, we can buy and sell through exchanges. There are a lot of exchanges in India and across the globe also. In India, we are following a GeoTest. Praveen sir.
Okay, sir.
You can screen share panna mudiyuma buying and selling. We are following an exchange called GeoTest, sir, here in now currently to buy a crypto asset or liquidate the crypto asset. We can liquidate at any point of time. That these exchanges run about 24/7, 365 days, including Sundays and Saturdays and Sunday. The market is open. You can sell your asset and get back cash directly to your bank account. It's legal. You can transfer your bank funds from your bank account to the exchange directly and buy the crypto asset and hold it in a wallet. It's a crypto wallet. There is a crypto wallet separately. For cryptocurrency, there is a crypto wallet separately. Then you can sell the currency from the wallet and get back your money instantly. For example, we will show it through the exchanges, sir. Now currently, Praveen sir, you open panna liya?
Panay sir, done.
Okay. Now Praveen sir is opening his exchange account where we can buy the coin and we can sell the coin instantly and get back your money. This is one of the exchanges, sir. In India, we are having more than 15 to 20 exchanges. Across the globe, there are about 200 to 300 exchanges. Each and every country supports each and every exchange with their fiat currencies. For example, here, you see Bitcoin with INR combination. Bitcoin is valued to 7,07,000 now currently in this trade. If I am having a Bitcoin with me, I can sell the Bitcoin. You see, these are buyers and sellers. Left side, these are the buyers, they quoted the price. Right side, their seller quoted the price. In the red color, there's the sellers, they quoted the price. One person quoted as a 7,07,000 for selling. He is ready to sell about for 573 rupees of worth of Bitcoin. In the right side is a buyer who quoted for 7,03,000. If I want to sell my product, there is a buyer for my product of 7,03,000 or 7,03,000. I can sell instantly by just selecting them. I can transfer, I can confirm their order. I can sell my Bitcoin and get the cash directly. If I want on a higher price, I have to bid and wait. That's all. The liquidity is anytime it's possible on the current market rate scenarios. I think it gives you a picture, sir. Want anything? You want to see the transaction also?
No. Now it's not there. Actually, this is a doubt. Actually, when they're having a, for example, even they are buying it 4 rupees, 5 rupees, even after maybe 5 years, 6 years, by this is reaching like a Bitcoin, maybe of 4,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees in 5 years or something like that, then there will be a huge amount accumulation will be there.
Surely.
So that they're expecting how that money will come to the account. Is it possible to change that coin into a Indian rupee? That was the doubt. For example, tomorrow the value of worth of some 100 crores. For an example, I am talking about maybe whatever the coins we are buying now, maybe after 5 years or 10 years like Bitcoin, it may be worth of 100 crores. Is it possible to switch this 100 crores worth of Buildex coins into an Indian rupee?
Is it possible, sir? Now also it's possible. If you are holding about more than 100 Bitcoins or 1,000 Bitcoins currently now in India, you can liquidate the coin and you can get the funds directly to your bank account. There's no issues at all. But we have to file the tax component will be there. IT income tax component will be there because each and every transaction is going through the bank. Therefore, it attracts taxes. Now, currently there is no buying and selling tax, sir. But in future,
now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can go ahead. You can finish it up.
Yes, sir, please. Yes.
Yeah, actually, this now, for example, we are buying with the cash or something. Tomorrow, once the money comes to the bank, is there any restriction that where is the source of income for this investment that time?
Surely, it will attract. It will attract what to say. It will attract certain tax also, sir. If there is two different type of purchase can be done currently. We can do it through banking system also. You can do it through peer-to-peer model also, person to person. If I'm having a currency or coin with me, I can directly give to Mr. Parthiban and get the cash there. If the Parthiban is having the crypto asset of, for example, is having about 10,000 Buildex now currently, if you want to sell through on cash, it can be done. There is a peer-to-peer exchange model also available. We can, like on OLX, I can contact Mr. Parthiban and Parthiban is ready to sell 10,000 Buildex. I can transfer the cash to his bank account or give the bank cash directly to him. It's up to him to take. There's two different modes are available now currently. One is through cash also, it's available to liquidate. Through exchanges also, we can liquidate. This is the strength of the product. I think I'm viewing in that way. Because
next one actually,
yeah, tell me.
Please.
Sir. Because I will tell you, because this is a decentralized asset. Each and every asset we are carrying is a centralized asset. If you invest on land, that land belongs to us only, but the entire land belongs to the country. If you see the documents over there, this land, this survey number is given for the enjoyment of the person and also the future generation. It's not belongs to us totally. We can having a rights to enjoy the rights because that property asset two different. One is the property of our country. Then I'm having a rights to use the property. For example, it is called a centralized asset, sir. If you invest on share also, we are a part of the shareholder only, but the share belongs to the company. But here, the entire products belongs to you. It's a decentralized asset equal to gold. If you buy a gold and keep it with you, no one have rights to claim your gold. You are the sole proprietor of your gold. It's so that only it's having a very, very greater value in upcoming future days. Yes, thank you. Yes, sir.
Okay, next is actually across the globe around 8,000 crypto ATMs are there,
Yes, sir.
correct? Is it
Yeah, yeah.
possible to convert any cryptocurrencies into the local currencies, or it's only available as a local currency get into that crypto?
Sir,
It's a
two-way it's
both way or
possible.
single way?
Two-way it's possible, sir. You can liquidate your crypto asset and get back cash from the ATM. If you go to Singapore, there is a lot of ATMs is there. If you want to have a 100 Sing dollar or 200 Sing dollar, if you scan that ATM machine, you can transfer Bitcoin to that machine. That machine in turn transfer the Bitcoin to a cash, and you can withdraw the cash from the ATM machine.
Okay, when we
Then
are searching in the Google, actually it's showing as a one way. That's why people have a doubt that. That's why we want to post a question here. Just if any Google pages or something is there, anything is there, you can share with us after some time through WhatsApp.
yes,
I can share with the people also. Because so whenever we are just looked into the Google today, it was even in the Dubai also there is an ATM for crypto in some of the
one way
hotels.
ATM is there in Dubai.
One
You can
ATM in the
you
hotel.
put your fiat
Actually,
currency, you
that
can
says
convert the currency to Bitcoin.
the currency Bitcoin. But is there the reverse question? Is there anywhere to see that one? Is a Bitcoin convert into as a local currency?
Yeah, I will give you the video, sir. I think my friend is
Okay,
having video.
no
He went to
issue.
Singapore and he taken the cash also. He inserted the cash and got the Bitcoin also. I will share with you.
Okay, better. It's good actually. You can share that one. And
Yes, sir.
Praveen ji, last time actually you shown that that Buildex is working in some platform. That time
Yes,
you
yes.
shown some screenshot. It is there in the Bitcoin same platform that Buildex is working. Something you have shown. Actually, people asked that I could not able to get that
Okay, sir.
page actually. If it is
That's a
possible, you can
technology
share
wise
in
or
WhatsApp also.
technology wise?
Technology wise, you sold the same
Crypto
Bitcoin
note.
technology.
Crypto note. Yes.
But I could not able to search that page particularly.
Okay, okay, sir.
Possible you can show here, otherwise you can share in the WhatsApp. I can share with the
One
people.
minute, share, sir.
And guys, now it's your time. If, apart from this, any doubts you people have, you can directly ask. It is not any compulsion or something like that. Whatever you have own doubt, you can go with it. And any doubts you want to clarify, you can get clarified.
Just friends. That's a thumb. That's a one saying says, without wetting your feet, we can't learn swimming. There's a saying like that. Without wetting your feet, we can't learn swimming. What it means, without entering into the industry, we can't get the entire total. Oh, this is the. I think we went to Bangkok on this January. We taken a photograph on this is bitcoinco.ltd is an exchange there in Bangkok. We went there. We taken a photo there. Praveen is there. Our teammates are there. We went there on January. This is still okay, sir. Thank you, Mr. Praveen, sir.
Okay, sir. This is a crypto buy and sell ATM, sir.
No, 1 minute here, just because it was speaker was on. That's why I think in this Bangkok only Praveen is enjoying. I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay,
You
sir.
see nearby also. I'm also enjoying, sir. Nearby Praveen, you can see me.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
This is a crypto ATM, sir. Buy and sell. You put a dollar and get crypto. You get crypto, you buy you get dollar. Both are there.
No,
Buy-
that screen
buy
is
and
not
sell.
shared. I think
No, this
photo
is
only is there.
this entry.
The photo only is available. That screen is not.
It's the front
Okay.
of his screen. It's the front of his screen. This is a
Yeah.
crypto buy and sell crypto. This ATM available in Singapore currently. You can buy the crypto and you can also sell the crypto and get back as a cash there. In Singapore is there.
Okay.
You can share the slides also.
Sir, nowadays all are very starting period, sir. This is now starting period.
Yeah.
Now we get keypad mobile 2008 or 2005. That is the stage only crypto is now. In crypto is going in 2G, 3G, etc. So many is there. Now we crypto is only for starting time only we there.
Yes,
RPG
as such,
mobile.
yeah. Yes, as such, Praveen told me, sir, on 1997 when we had launched the communication industry in India, once on in what to say, Salem. I think there's a big mobile phone you had seen. It's like a brick, Nokia 1660. Then now you see the mobile phone shrink, and each and every almost it's an alternative for TV, for computer, and each and every gadgets. Now, if you hold a mobile phone, you can use 150 to 200 ways to use. Like that, only the crypto is getting evolved. Now, sir, just when I completed my BE, I started on 89-93 batch. I'm a mechanical engineer. On the time, my friends are all there in the computer segment also. Or you're also a mechanical engineer.
Mechanical engineer. I am also 89-93 batch.
ஓ, அப்ப ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒரே தானா? எந்த காலேஜ் நீங்க? எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் முடி
சேலம் விநாயகா மிஷன்
கொண்டதுனால
கிருபானந்த வாரியார் இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ்.
ஓ, விநாயகா மிஷன்ல தான் பண்ணீங்களா?
விநாயகா.
ஓகே, நான் வந்து கும்பி இன்ஜினியரிங் பெருந்துறை சார். அப்ப நம்ம படிக்கும்போது என்ன சொல்லுவோம் தெரியுங்களா? கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் பண்ணுவீங்களா? அப்ப நம்ம எல்லாம் கிண்டல் பண்ற மாதிரி பேசிட்டு இருப்போம். அப்ப நீங்க எல்லாம் வந்து ஜோசியம் தான் பாப்பீங்க. ஏன்னா அந்த டைம் வந்து கிரிப்டோ இண்டஸ்ட்ரி, அதாவது நம்மளுடைய கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் அண்ட் ப்ரோக்ராமிங்லாம் இந்த அளவுக்கு டெப்த் பெனிட்ரேஷன் இல்லை சார். அப்பதான் பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம மெக்கானிக்கல் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் எல்லாமே Y2K ப்ராப்ளம்ல உள்ள போய் எல்லாமே யூஎஸ்ல போய் செட்டில் ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க. இதுக்கு எதுக்காக ஐம் ஸ்டேட்டிங் திஸ் ஒன் சார், நவ் த கிரிப்டோ இஸ் இன் சேம் சினாரியோ ஆன் 1990s. எப்படி நம்ம வந்து ஒரு கம்ப்யூட்டர் அப்ளிகேஷனை பார்த்தோம், ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியை பார்த்தோமோ, the same scenario is looking at it's same as such a platform for blockchain and cryptocurrency. Within 5 years பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த அப்ளிகேஷன் அடாப்டேஷன்ல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஹியூஜ், நம்ம இமேஜினே பண்ணிருக்க மாட்டோம். நம்ம யூட்டிலிட்டி மாடலுக்கு பத்தி பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம். இன்னொரு விஷயம் சார், ஐ வில் ஷேர் யூ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், the privacy, the piracyன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, pirated products இனிமேல் it will not be there within 2 to 3 years. ஏன்னா each and every product will be have a QR code through blockchain. As in, நான் போய் இன்னைக்கு for example, if I go and buy a Bisleri bottle for about 5 to 10 rupees, நான் போய் வாங்க போறேன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன் from a store, I cannot find it is a original or duplicated. Future there will be a QR code of blockchain. When I can scan through my mobile, I can track that product instantly if that product is original or duplicate. Each and every minimum value product, if the pay track பண்ணும்போது there will be no piracy and pirated. நீங்க அந்த blockchain உடைய applications எல்லாம் உள்ள போய் பார்க்கும்போது பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதனுடைய டெப்த் வரைக்கும் இருக்கு. each and every என்ன சொல்லலாம்னா செக்மெண்ட்லயும் சரி, ஒரு இண்டஸ்ட்ரியிலயும் சரி, எல்லா இடத்துலயுமே இட் வில் பி தேர். எங்கெல்லாம் கம்ப்யூட்டர் இருக்கோ அங்கெல்லாம் blockchain இருக்கு. இப்போ எங்கெல்லாம் கம்ப்யூட்டர் இருக்கோ அங்கெல்லாம் விண்டோஸ் இருக்க மாதிரி ஃபியூச்சர்ல those the gadgets which is connected through net, it will be working through blockchain because of the security purpose. Fine friends. Okay. ரொம்ப முருகவேல் சார் வந்து ரொம்ப க்ளோஸ் அசோசியேட் ஆயிட்டாரு, இப்போ விநாயகா மிஷன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஆயிட்டாரு. அது எங்க பேட்ச் வேற ஆயிட்டாரு. ஸ்கூல் எங்க பண்ணீங்க?
என்னங்க
ஸ்கூல் எங்க பண்ணீங்க?
ஸ்கூல் எல்லாம் கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூல்.
எந்த ஸ்கூல்ல? சேலமா?
இங்க சேலம் மெயின்.
ஓஹோ, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். வீடு எங்க சார் உங்களுக்கு?
வீடு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இருந்தது வந்து பட்டக்கோயில் படிக்கும்போது, அப்புறம் அப்படியே வித்யாநகர்ல அப்பா வீடு வாங்கிட்டு மூவ் பண்ணாரு. இப்ப இருக்கிறது எஸ்கே டவுன்ஷிப், அம்மாபேட்.
அப்போ உங்க பேட்ச்ல எல்லாம் வந்து நிறைய பேர் இருப்பாங்களே, என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம். பிகே ரமேஷ் ஒருத்தர் யூஎஸ்ல இருக்கா. நிறைய பேர்
பிகே ரமேஷ் ரொம்ப பெஸ்ட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்.
அப்படியா?
இஸ் இன் யூஎஸ் இல்லையா?
ஆமா, யூஎஸ்ல இருக்கா.
அவனோட ஃப்ரெண்ட் கோபின் ஒருத்தர் இஸ் இன் சென்னை, இஸ் டூயிங் a business I think.
கண்டிப்பா.
Even though he is a computer guy, I am a mechanical guy, we are one team.
Okay.
Even computer science, electronics and mechanical together we are having one team at college.
Okay, fine.
It's a different set.
அதியமான் சொல்லிட்டு ஒருத்தர் இருந்திருப்பாரு உங்க பேட்ச் நினைக்கிறேன். அதியமான் ஒரு 2 years மட்டும் தான் பண்ண 3 years தான் பண்ணாரு நினைக்கிறேன். இன்னைக்கு அவரு அதியமான் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் ஆஃப் ஐஏஎஸ் அகாடமின்னு வச்சிருக்காரு சேலத்துல. நிறைய ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், ரொம்ப நெருங்கிட்டோம்.
Okay guys, if any doubts you can ask now.
எஸ் சார். எஸ் பார்த்திபன் சார்.
நம்ம பிஎம்எஸ் சார் டவுட்ஸ் கேட்கணும் வந்தாரு.
பிஎம்எஸ் சார், வெல்கம் சார்.
Yes sir.
I just we started our conversation in the beginning as a, what to say, as a என்ன சொல்றதுன்னா இன்வெஸ்டர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா சேம் டவுன் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸா மாறிட்டோம். இப்போ ஒரே பேட்ச் we are there. Therefore only taken a couple of minutes. Sorry friends. சொல்லுங்க சார். Yes sir, tell me sir.
Yes Baslur, it's for you.
Yeah. Yes sir. This one question that how can we convert that our coins into like money? It's through bank or
Sir, we can convert our coin through to money in exchanges. Banks only is there to keep our money in our account, but there is no conversion is there. But we have to convert it into exchanges. There's the crypto exchanges is there. Where what exchanges does means you can sell your crypto and for cash. You can encash the crypto as a cash through exchanges. Then we can take the cash from the exchanges. You can keep it in your bank accounts.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes sir, Parthiban sir, solunga.
So thank you for the elaborate introduction. As a first time investor, suppose, possibly, as a baby step, where do we start actually? What is the minimum quantity of coins any new investor can invest in? And what are all the different variety of products? Today I was talking to Murugan sir. He explained to me about 12 months lock-in period and 18 months lock-in period. You get 25% bonus and certain things. So can you give a little bit light on it?
Sir, I just opened it. ஒரே ஒரு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் நான் என்ன சொன்னேன்னா, without wetting your feet we cannot learn swimming என்ற மாதிரி, without investing in the industry and then only our what to say learning mode will start. What I suggest you friends, initially there is an 18 months period of regular mode is there, 12 months period of fixed mode is there. Initially I invested about 1 lakh coin in a regular mode first initially. Then I started encashing my product. After having a belief in the industry, I converted my entire regular mode to a fixed mode. For example, if you invest 1 lakh coin in a regular mode, now we are having a huge benefit called bonus coin is there. You get it's a maturity of 35,000. It's a tenure is 18 months. Totally we get about 1,35,000 coins in the end of the 18 months. Each month we will be getting about almost 7,500 coins per month to our wallets per month. You can hold the coin, you can encash the coin, then you will get back your investment, or you can reinvest the coin. It's up to us. Initially what we will do means, first we will take the money invested what we had invested until we get the what to say the hold in the industry, or we started believing the industry. Once you get your investment back, you will be having a more confidence in the industry. First I will suggest you to go to the regular mode. You invest your money, you get back your cash month on month. Within maximum of 10 months you can get back your cash with the help of 25% bonus is there, sir. With the 25% bonus, almost we can make a staking of 1,35,000 coins. சார் இப்போ வந்து 1,30,000 காயின் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிருக்கீங்களா பிரவீன் சார்?
ஆமாங்க சார், இங்க பாருங்க சார், பிளான் போட்டுருக்கேன். 1,35,000. ஓகேங்களா?
ஓகே.
every month you get 7,500 coin. 8 months you have hold. You don't sell every month. You hold the first 8 months. 60,000 coin you there. In minimum price, now price will be 450 paise. But after 8 months, minimum price will be come to only 7 rupees. How much amount you called? How much amount is come? 60,000 coin into 7 rupees. So almost you will invested 4,50,000 rupees. Within 7 months, you will got the total investment. After 10 months is coming to 7,500 coin into 10 months. 75,000 coin is your free of cost. Free of cost. So you please hold the coin in 3 to 4 years. Coin will be price will be is up 20 rupees or 50 rupees, 100 rupees. You get very good margin, very good investment.
Yeah, Parthiban, this is what I was telling you. This is coming into the regular mode. As I told you for a 10,000 coins, now they are given an example of 1 lakh coins. This 35% is a bonus. So once the 10,000 coin, the 35,000 is the bonus. It's become a 1,35,000 coins you will get as a overall. This 1,35,000 coins will be divided by 18 months. They started giving on monthly basis. Even this 7,500 coin are divided by 30. Almost you will get 250 coins every day. So you have an option for 1,000, 2,000 or 5,000 coins you can able to sell. What is they are proposing now, even if you are buying for a 4 rupees 50 paise today, for 1 lakh coin, it's worth of 4,50,000 rupees. Now within this every month you are getting a 7,500, and if you are holding this coin in your wallet for 8 months, you may get around 60,000 coins as a bonus from this 18 months. Out of this 18 months, 8 months is 60,000 coin. Even if the rates goes to in the 8 months, it is a 7 rupees also, you will get your money back. What they're telling, if you are having any doubt or all these things, you can sell these 60,000 coins at the rate of 7 or 8 or whatever it may be, or till it's a 7 comes also, you can get your money of 4,50,000 what you invested. And further period, that the same thing 7,500 will come for the further period also. The 10 months period, if you're seeing a 75,000 coin, this become a free of cost. It means already whatever you invested 4,50,000, already you recovered in 8th month. So from 9th month onwards up to the 18th month of the locking period, you may get around 75,000 coin. That cost is free. It means you can hold for any time also. Even if it is a 0 also, you are not going to lose anything. Even if it is a 1 rupee also, you may get around 75,000 rupees. Even if it's become 100 rupees, what will be the scenario? That was telling you. If you are holding for 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, whatever it may be, whenever you feel that this rate is okay, we can close, we can close. And you can get this money. This become a bonus. This is an example you can note down. This based on this one coins you want to change, you can change the coin number of coins, and accordingly you can see that. Anyway, it is the 8 months. If you are seeing, even if it is putting a 50,000 coin also, same thing what you are getting in 8 months will be the, if it is a 7 rupees, will be the same amount what you spent for this 50,000 coins. So the fixed plan will give more. Actually, fixed plan, instead of this 35%, if it is a fixed plan, instead of 1 lakh coin, you will get another 50,000 coin. It become 1,50,000 coin in 13th month. But this 12 months, you will not work anything, you will not learn anything, and you may not interested in this one. So better now, every month, whatever you have started getting, you can want to transfer to something and all these things, because this team may not support you for a year and year. They will support you for the first 3 months. They will train you. That was Praveen told, it's maybe around 50 hours of training is there. How to buy, how to sell, where to exchange, how to see this one. Even tomorrow, if you don't want this BuildX, you want to change it to some other crypto. All these things they will teach you in this first 3 months. You have to spend around 50 hours for this through Zoom classes to learn the things. And any time you can ask the doubt. Right, so sir, once if you have started learning, and if you are this 7,500 also, it is a monthly is written. Actually, it's I am getting now, they made it out for me now. I am getting an every day. The 7,500 divided by 30. So 250 coins per day, you will get into your account. Even if you want to sell now also. Yeah, Praveen, you can take
Sir, if you okay, I move your account, sir. I will open your account.
Yeah.
Right, sir.
MBJD Muruvel.
Okay, sir. That is fixed, sir. MBJ is MB.
JD Murugavel. That is Vijiraja. This open one Murugavel and one JD Vijaya. This 30-30 will be there now. JD.
He invested 30,000 coin. One ID is coming for 150 coins.
So 2 days. Yesterday 75 coin we have seen. Today another 75 coin has come per day.
Okay.
Yesterday 6 75 coins. 7 is 75 coins. Every day
This
it
is
comes ROI.
It's a regular one or fixed?
It's a regular one. Fixed don't come for any coin. Only for 1 year after you get
For
the
next.
full coin.
Okay.
Now this is the intention. They are asking you to go for a regular plan. So every day you can see that what is coming. Even if you want to sell also, if you are 1 lakh coin you are investing, you will get 250 coins per day. Within 4 days you will get 1,000 coins. The 1,000 coins you can sell also. This minimum is 1,000.
Okay.
So 1,000 even you want to sell and see also, you can sell and see. Under they are telling that at present you are buying for a 4.5 or something like that. Even if it is within 1 week, if you are selling also the same thing, you can wait for 8 months. At least you can get your money back. Further to the period, you can get as a bonus. That was the intention behind this regular plan. Also to learn in these 3 months based on their classes.
Friend, I will explain you. I just invested about almost 1 lakh coin initially in a regular basis. Now I'm holding about almost more than 8 lakh coins in our GCC. Almost if you valued about almost 40 lakh investment is there in the industry now. I think if you take it as a business plan also, it's a very, very huge, income oriented plan is there. I think first you come into this as an investor, you start learning about the product. Once you start learning about the product, once you see how it is utilization, how it is valued, how it is, what's the scope for the growth and all, you yourself will be, first 1 lakh coin I just invested for my learning mode, friends. After that, rest of 8 lakhs coin just invested on my behalf only. I've not asked anyone because I know that each and every entity, I know how to withdraw, I know how to encash my coin through exchanges. All the without anyone's help, I can do from my own system itself. By sitting in the home itself, I can buy the coins, I can sell the coins, I can do anything. I think just to be for how the Muruvel explained like that only. Just if we are investing about few hours, we can learn the entire platform. Here we get total guidance is there. We are not left out anyone. We are supported with a lot of people to guide us in the industry. This is a very, very it's a unique and confident creating platform. I'm viewing in the way.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Arivalagan, where are you?
Yes.
No, sir.
Sir, one more thing. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Hello. Sir, how you are maintaining this account secrecy? Accounts.
Friends, இப்போ நான் வந்து 8 lakhs coin இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணது என்னன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் 1 lakh coin இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணும்போது நான் கேஷ்ல தான் பண்ணேன். டோட்டலா நான் கேஷ்ல தான் பிடிசி வாங்கினேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஃபர்தரா நிறைய நான் பேங்க் அக்கவுண்ட்ஸ் மூலமாவே நான் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்.
You can put it in English.
Okay, I will explain you. I will show you my transaction. I think you you will be also, just a minute. Wait a second, just a minute. Friends, I converted almost இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா பிட்காயின் வந்து 0.5 பிட்காயின் நான் ஹோல்ட் பண்றேன் இந்த வாலெட்ல. பேங்க் டெபாசிட் டீடைல் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதுல தெரியும். நான் எவ்வளவு என்னோட அக்கவுண்ட்ஸ்ல இருந்து எவ்வளவு நான் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணி நான் காயின் வாங்கியிருக்கேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு we can use first deposit in this exchange is 45,500, then rest is 98,000, 90,000, 1,50,000. This such I had transferred my money to the exchange. I converted my money to Bitcoin, or this here we can convert the money to Bitcoin. Then from here we can change to Bitcoin to BuildX. This is the way we can change. As such Praveen explained Mari. If என்ன பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த இடத்துல what I am explaining you now, just we can transfer our fund directly to the account. First நான் வந்து initial purchase we made through cash, then rest of the investment I made through my accounting itself, through my bank account. And it's very easy for me to show it on when I started liquidating my coins in future. I can show it through my direct account itself.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Hello, Naresh.
Yes, I'm here. No, I want to just ask about the storage of the cryptocurrency and what about the security of the currency?
Praveen sir, நீங்க மேக்னம் வாலெட் ஓபன் பண்ண முடியுமா? Rajesh sir?
Yes, please. No, my question is, hello.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Hello.
No,
Yeah, my question is, yes,
okay.
please.
Your question is where we have to keep other cryptocurrencies. So this cryptocurrency is kept through wallets. Like Paytm, you are holding our money through Paytm wallets now currently. Paytm, PhonePe, the Beam, these are all the wallets. Like that, cryptocurrency has their own wallets. This is a decentralized wallets. In this wallet is named as Magnum. You can go directly to your Play Store. You can download the Magnum wallet on your mobile also. These wallets helps us to hold crypto assets. Any crypto asset. Sir, நீங்க available wallet கூட click பண்ணலாம் நீங்க. Praveen sir, நீங்க walletsல என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி totally we can hold Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, any volume we can hold, sir, in this wallet. This is a safe wallet. No one can, it works with highly secured wallet. You can keep a number of coins there. Not even BuildX. You can keep Bitcoin, you can keep Ethereum, you can keep Ripple. You can convert Bitcoin to Ripple also, BuildX to Ripple also. You can convert anything to any coin. It's a user-friendly wallet. It's very high and safe. We can store your asset in this wallet also. There are a lot of wallets, sir. Now we are holding our crypto asset in this Magnum wallet. It's a decentralized blockchain wallet. Here you see he's holding almost 4,157 BuildX. Currently it's valued approximately about 70,000 rupees. Here it shows about almost he's holding about 2,80,000 crypto assets in his wallets. Totally. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BuildX, everything put together is there. Okay, sir.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you.
It's easy, sir. You can also download from your Play Store. Just you in Play Store you type Magnum Wallet.
Yeah.
It starts downloading. You
Sir, only one
One
Naresh.
last question. One last question. In
sir.
India, how can we buy it, and after buying, and how can we sell it? I'm asking about India specifically.
Yeah, I opened the exchanges perspective Geotest now, sir, like previously. In that, you can convert your INR to crypto asset. You can sell your crypto asset and get back as an INR, sir. Indian rupee.
நான் அப்ப லைவா காட்டுமா சார்? லைவா I will show it.
You want to see lively, sir, selling and buying?
No, not required. But in India, can I get cash? I mean, to transfer the crypto to my bank or the currency from.
Yeah, I will, sir. If you want to just to chinnada காட்ட முடியுமா, sir, Praveen, sir?
I will show it, so no issue.
Sir, it will take about 5 to 10 minutes. I think I will ask Mr. Praveen to show you, explain you how he is converting his crypto asset to cash and how he is transferring his cash to the bank account. You can see now.
And one more thing is password is very, very important for the Magnum wallet, which can, if you miss the Magnum wallet password, you cannot be taken back, revert back. If you make a mistake or if you can't find out the password, you will lose all the coins. Sir Ranganathan sir, you please explain him about that also.
Sir, password is it has to be very, very secure, sir. Like that, a key. You have to hold your key with yourself only. If you give your password, you are like that you are giving your key to the other person. Each and like that, like your SB account, sir, what your banking account, you are having your own username, your own password, like that. You have to keep it very confidentially. That's all. It will be very, very safe. Yes, Praveen, sir.
Okay, sir, done. Sir, I am holding for 7 lakhs 20 rupees for Geotex account. Sir, are you clear, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Holding for balance. Okay. I am go to spot exchange. I am buying some Bitcoin. So now the Bitcoin price is 7 lakhs 6,000 rupees. So I am buying some small quantity, 0.001, just for explanation. So that's the cost will be 700 rupees, 760 rupees, right, sir? My balance is 7 lakhs 20 rupees. I am buy the Bitcoin.
Yeah, Praveen is having 7,20,169 rupees in his balance. Now, just for a trial purpose, he is just buying about 700 rupees of Bitcoin. Sir, you can buy for any value, sir. It's not at all. You can buy for 100 rupees also. You can buy for 1 lakh rupee also. You can buy the Bitcoin cryptocurrency through exchanges.
Same time, my available BTC is 0.0054. So
already is having already is having about 0.0054 of Bitcoin in his wallet now currently.
So now I am buying within second. My money will be gone. BTC will become, right, sir? 0.0064 is my added. My money will be 700 rupees less my account, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay,
sir,
right.
You see that?
So
700 rupees got debited in his account, and 0.01 crypto is added in his Bitcoin wallets.
So same time,
Correct.
I am sell same 0.001 I will sell. Okay. Is
Okay,
same
understand.
Same amount.
Understand.
I will sell. My money will become BTC will be lost. 720 is come. Okay, sir.
And you see that it is reversible also. You can sell your Bitcoin at any time. You can get back your cash instantly. Then you can transfer your cash to your bank account now.
Same. That
பண்ணி தர முடியுமா சார் ஒரு 1000 rupees?
Yes, showing no issue. My bank account. So withdraw option. I click the withdraw option. Choose my account. Already I am completed my KYC.
Sir, if in this exchange you have to complete your KYC and you have to register your bank account, sir. Then only we can transfer the fund to your bank account. Already is done.
So
Now,
whatever I will sell 700 rupees my account. So I will put 700 rupees, withdraw, comes to OTP in my mobile number or my mail ID.
I think he's opening his Axis Bank account now currently. Correct, sir? Axis Bank account open
Yes,
பண்றீங்களா?
yes. ஆமா சார்.
JUC sir, he opened his Axis Bank account. இப்போ எவ்வளவு account balance இருக்குன்னு காட்டுனீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும்.
170862 OTP. Before OTP, I will show you my account. In my current account, having.
Sir, in Praveen is already having 2,21,000 is current account, sir. Now he is withdrawing about almost 7. எவ்வளவு sir withdraw பண்றீங்க?
700 rupees. 700 rupees.
700 rupees. He is withdrawing his 700 rupees from exchange. Okay, verify, sir. Already it's debited.
My balance will be debited.
700 is debited from his account. It will be credited in his account, sir. Current account கொடுத்திருக்கீங்களா sir?
Yes. Okay, sir.
You can see, sir.
700.
Yes, yes.
So
Yes,
24
yes.
24 into bar 7. I will selling my Bitcoin, selling my Beldex in my account directly.
You can get credited immediately, sir. You can withdraw your fund. You can get the fund will be instantly credited in your bank account. You can also transfer your bank account instantly. You can buy the crypto. Sir, this is the only commodity. It can be liquidated 24/7 within 365 days across the globe.
Yeah, Mr. Ranganath, one last question. What about the transaction cost? Just throw some light on the transaction cost involved in it.
Just it's 0.02%, sir.
0.02%.
If you buy a crypto asset for 1 lakh rupee, the cost of the buying is just 200 rupees.
I will showing, sir. I will
Yes,
show
sir.
you directly. I will purchase 1 Bitcoin, sir. Okay.
Okay.
It's a cost of
0.2%.
0.25%. That's all. 0.25% in 7 lakhs.
250 rupees, sir. If you buy a crypto asset for 1 lakh, you will be charged 250 rupees. In this is the exchange cost. That's all.
That's all. It's a very lowest cost, 7 lakhs.
If you want to sell a crypto asset for 1 lakh rupee, you will be charged about 250 rupees only.
Same, sir.
No, 150 rupees.
No, 150 rupees. 150 rupees.
Oh.
Sir. Selling is 150 rupees.
Sorry. Selling is 150 rupees, buying is 250 rupees.
Yes,
You are correct.
Right.
Selling your cost very less, but for buying you have to pay 250. Almost for buying and selling, it will be approximately put together everything 400 rupees, sir.
That's all. It's 7 lakhs.
That's all.
Okay. Understand.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Ranganathan.
Thank you, Mr. Naresh, sir.
Thank you, Naresh, sir.
Yes.
BMS, sir. Any doubt, sir? BMS, sir.
No, sir, no.
Azlur, sir.
This was the one you were asking, correct? How to convert from crypto to Indian rupee?
Yeah, correct.
Now clear. Doubt will be clear.
So this one in this Geotest exchange, if you register with your Indian account.
Sir,
Yeah.
lot of exchange
Praveen,
there,
you
sir.
can-
Lot of exchange is there, sir. Not only Geotex, Coldex.
Okay.
Lot of exchange there. In Coldex, in huge volume, you buying 100 Bitcoin, 10 Bitcoins, go to these exchanges. These
Yeah,
exchanges will be huge buy and sell.
Mm-hmm.
Geotex less value. You check 24 hours.
The fees is same or different?
Yes, sir. It's some difference is there, but not only only for lawyer only. Last 24 hours, 54 BTC will be sell. This Bitcoin. You go to Binance. In 24 hours, you go to 100 to 1000 Bitcoins to sell 24 hours. Lot of exchanges is there. Lot of big exchanges is there.
Sir, one by one we can learn, sir. There is a lot of scope. Lot of scopes are there.
Into this exchange, right?
But everything is possible, sir. Everything is possible. Every amount will be possible. No issue. You convert
So
totally.
our wallet is connected to exchange.
No,
Then
sir. No.
our
No.
bank account is also connected to exchange.
No,
We
sir.
are linking your account to the exchange. That's all. For
That's all.
withdrawal purpose, you will be linking that. For if I initiate a withdrawal, the amount has to be deposited in this account. You have to register your account. That's all.
Okay.
You can link any account. You can link.
Bansal sir, total 2 type of selling, sir. One is go through exchange. That is for online exchange. One more is peer to peer. If you sell the Bitcoin, I have Bitcoin. I send money to your account. You send to Bitcoin to me. That is a peer to peer transaction. In cryptocurrency, in 70 to 75% of transaction in peer to peer transaction only. Only to 25-30% of only go to exchange. Lot of trading will be about the exchange. Lot of trading will be happening because Bitcoin will be no more get duplicate. Once the Bitcoin will be original, then only you come to your wallet. Otherwise, Bitcoin will be not come to your wallet. So nobody can doubt. Nobody can doubt. Sir, correct, sir?
Actually, what he is expecting, I think Bazlur is expecting. Now you have shown in your Geotas exchange that Indian rupee of 7,21,000 something was available in your.
No. That is, I am selling to my account to crypto. I am buying Bitcoin. My account to transfer to Geotex account. My account.
Okay, he just transferred his money to the Geotex exchange account, sir, to buy a crypto asset.
Crypto asset.
No, the Geotex exchange that you are showing as 7,21,000, 7,20,000 was available.
Some people giving money to buying crypto. So I will go to I move to my amount to crypto Geotex.
So you are moving that amount to
Geotex. Today night I will buy.
How you are withdrawing the same thing, you can move from your account to exchange.
Yes, sir. Sir, you also giving money to 3 lakhs rupees, 4 lakhs rupees. I will convert to crypto. Go to that amount. I will go to Geotex. I will convert the Bitcoin. After Bitcoin, convert to Beltex. This is the process. This is the procedure. So all the things you know about that instantly. So I will help to you. That's all, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
We will be having a separate workshop session for this one, sir. How to buy and how to sell.
How to sell.
Yeah. I think mostly we will be handling next week.
Next week, sir.
Yeah. Is there any doubt? It's already 1.5 hours now.
Sir, Mr. Ranganathan, sir.
Yes, solunga, Arivalagan,
as per your experience, how much we can spend for this initial amount for our experience?
Okay. Sir, it's based on our investment strength, sir. Ipo na enna eduthittingna I just invested about 1 lakh coin na first pannana. Ena or as a businessman எனக்கு என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா நான் வந்து almost ஒரு எப்பவுமே ஒரு 40-50 lakhs of stocks எப்பவுமே எனக்கு இருக்கும். Across the shelf different variety of SKUs னு சொல்லுவோம். Different stock இருக்கும். அதுல one of the stock நான் crypto invest பண்ணேன். சரி இது ஏதோ ப்ராடக்ட்ல ஒரு மாடல் மொபைல் வந்ததுன்னா ஒரு 15 to 20 lakhs இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி சரி ஒரு 5 lakhs இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணேன். எனக்கு அந்த மொபைல்ல வந்து ரிட்டர்னோட எனக்கு இது ஜாஸ்தி கிடைச்சது. To be frank, I think can you follow in my Tamil sir, Arivalagan sir, Tamil பேசுவார்.
No problem. Tamil பேசுவார்.
I just invested.
VMS எல்லாம் இருக்காரு அதுக்காக.
Okay.
VMS எல்லாம் லைன்ல இருக்காருல அதனால.
Fine. I just invested like one of the product in my business. But astonishingly, this product given me a huge return than my traditional product. Therefore, I shifted my investment from here to slowly there. Just I purchased about 1 lakh coin. At that time, it's about 4 to 5 lakh rupees. Then I just shifted, I added to another 2 to 3 lakh coins. Then the 3 lakh coin has grown to almost in a year. It's grown to about 5 to 6 lakh coins. And then this year I invested another 2 lakh coin. Now I'm holding almost 8 lakh coin now currently in my investment. As a earning, I made about almost 5 to 10 lakh coin by referring. There are a lot of model is there, sir. To earn into the business, there are a lot of model, but it's an optional. But I'm very, very attracted as an investor. When I step into the industry, rather my money is also growing. I'm also started learning about the new industry, new concepts, how it's gearing up, how the opportunities are there. how the avenues are opening. Like that, the global knowledge is just, I gained a lot of global knowledge by attending a lot of huge seminars. I attended a seminar on February at Dubai also. Now, we were there in Dubai on 14th of February. Just one day before quarantine, we came back. One more day, we will be quarantined here at Tamil Nadu. And the problem vandirukkum. But we had attended a lot of seminars, sir. There's a lot of avenues are there in crypto industry, sir. I'm telling you this, sir. You see, the software industry is gearing up. I'm a mechanical engineer. Now I'm not know how to code the software. I know where to invest and hold the stocks. I just invested my money in that industry. I just holding that in the industry. I'll be making a huge money than the people who are working in the industry. Can you get me my point, sir?
Yeah, got it.
That's it.
So another question. What is the way forward next? How to buy these coins?
Sir, initially, I think we will support you. Yeah, initially we will support you to buy the coins and how to put your contracts in GCC, how to withdraw. All the sessions we will doing for you, sir. Like Murugavel sir explained you. First, initially we will be supporting you to make you as if learn yourself by cycling yourself. Just we will guide you back. After a few days, automatically you will start teaching us.
I think
you will be giving us feedback of
next section on the Murugal side. Murugal sir is in section. He's ready to.
No. Every day now I am given too much trouble to Murugal sir. He knows. I am asking many questions to him.
Okay, sir.
People what they are putting me into this actually. That is the one I compiled all these things I asked. Even before investing, I asked all these questions. You may be knowing.
Sir, actually, while you asking the question, you are also learning. We are also learning. This is an industry. What to say? It's a teamwork, sir. It's a teamwork. Each and every person has their own perspective views. Last couple of weeks before, we had taken a seminar with one of the investors. I think Murugavel sir, have you attended, sir, that one? Gopinath sir program?
No, sir.
No, I was not there.
No. Sir. That guy is already in a stocks and share market for the past 15 to 20 years, sir. 15 years of experience. Second, he just invested about 3 lakh coin last 11 months before. He made us almost he invested about 7 lakh rupee, I think so.
10 lakh rupees, sir. 10 lakh rupee.
10 lakh rupee. He taken that investment also within 11 months. Now he is having about 50 lakh asset in his hands. He just explained how he had accumulated that 50 lakhs asset by just investing 10 lakh rupees and holding it for 11 months. He just explained us. It's very astonishing.
50 lakhs coin, sir. 50 lakhs coin.
50 lakh, 10 lakh coin equal to 50 lakh asset. Now he's holding 10 lakh coin with him. He taken his investment back also. You see, sir, we are viewing in the technical aspect. Viewing is an adoption aspect, but his view is totally on a trading platform view. Like that, I think each and every day we will get each and every dimension in this industry. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
My suggestion to learn in the industry, just to step in by with a minimum of 1 lakh coins. I think then it's up to your wish to invest or 50,000 or 10,000, up to your wish. But my suggestion is to invest minimum of 1 lakh and plus. Then only we'll be showing some interest in the industry. Unless you invest, for example, if you're investing only 1 lakh in the business, there you are investing about 10 lakh in a business. The total, importance will be there in the 10 lakh investment. Like that. If you invest more, your interest level will be more. Your learning level will be more. That's the thing. Your fast return also will be more.
Correct, sir. But initial stage now, no one is believed to invest the more amount. As per last meeting, our Naveen sir also advised, at least in our life savings, 10% first we can invest.
You're
After
correct.
that, we can go step by steps. We don't want to invest more money on the first steps.
Okay, like that, sir. Since I think here what I had taken from my point of view, I will explain you, sir. Just one of my close friend is in industry for about 2 years. He just showed me the plan. He explained me the entire detail how he had earned, how he had passed on all that 11 months about his travel in the industry for the 11 months. On believing my friend, I just invested. After that, I started learning myself. Without asking any question to him, I had invested about 8 lakhs because I got a confidence in the industry. Sir, it is up to you, sir. You can invest 10,000 or 15,000 or anything. But my keen suggestion is to be in a learning mode. Don't skip the learning mode. If you are invested a little bit more, automatically you will be in the learning mode. Like that direction. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Balaji sir, any doubt sir? BCC, BTC, Balaji is there. Any doubt sir? Naveen sir, your friend sir? Naveen na?
Naresh sir, Naresh, any
No,
doubts?
no, all clear. No, all clear.
All clear. Naveen sir, இன்னொருத்தர் இருக்காரு BCC, BTC, பாலாஜின்னு உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஆனா?
Maybe I have forwarded to something. BC, yeah, Balaji, are you in the line?
Please unmute sir. Please unmute yourself sir.
Balaji?
Okay, now he's not listening there. Okay.
Okay.
Right now, okay na. எங்க பார்த்திபன் சார் இல்ல பார்த்திபன் சார் இல்லைங்க சார் பார்த்திபன் சார்
Parthiban sir, I think.
Yes sir. Go to some work. Is some work.
அவர் குக்கிங் போயிருப்பாரு.
குக்கிங் இருக்காரு.
அவர் டவுட் எல்லாம் கேட்டு கிளியர் பண்ணிட்டாரு.
ஓகே குக்கிங் இருப்பாரு. ஓகே ஓகே சூப்பர். பன்சால் சார் BMS சார்.
Yes sir.
Sir ready sir? Any doubts?
No, so far okay.
So far okay. That's it sir. You come, we learn more lot of things sir.
Yeah.
As of now, no doubt. Anyway, tomorrow again we'll start the doubt. I will contact Mr. Murugan. Okay.
முருகவேல் சார், உங்களுக்கு ஹிந்தி தெரியுமா?
சார்
ஹிந்தி தெரியுமா?
தெரியும்.
ஓகே, ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. நீங்க ஹிந்தியில நார்த் இந்தியாவுக்கு அவர்கிட்ட சொல்லிட்டு அவர்கிட்ட கிளாஸ் எடுத்தீங்கன்னாவே முடிஞ்சு போயிடுச்சு. நீங்க வந்து சூப்பரா இது பண்ணிடலாம்.
Lot of vacancy in north sir. North side lot of vacancy.
Actually, Praveen sir, we are planning.
நாம இப்ப பத்லூர் நம்மள பத்தி சொல்றாரு. நம்ம ஹிந்தி பேசணும்னா பாதி இங்கிலீஷ் தான் இருக்கும் அதுல. ஆனா எங்க வேலை தெரியலையோ
हिंदीக்காரங்களே அப்படிதான் பேசுறாங்க இப்ப.
बदलूर सही है ना? हम लोग तो हिंदी बात करने के टाइम आधा तो इंग्लिश में ऐड कर देगा.
Yes. Mix है.
तो बदलूर है ना हम लोग का नॉर्थ का कुछ प्रोग्राम के लिए कुछ आए तो बदलूर का डाल देगा. He can explain. He may be master in basically he is in casting. Actually he is in a casting department.
Okay sir.
He is handling all currencies now.
Oh,
so,
super.
In a casting and his company level is taking up cost control.
Okay sir.
So he can learn quickly and he can take it up. Any support is required for you, you can tell him you will take a class for the
others.
One more thing sir, in north side is lot of gap is there sir. Lot of gap. If you business go to in north
actually, so they're not thinking of all these things. They basically they're having a own business and their own. So they used to go with their own business.
No sir, north side is invest Bitcoin more. Lot of people invest Bitcoin, but Beltex is no more ready. Not Rana sir, அவங்க Beltex தெரியாது இன்னும். நார்த்ல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Beltex not awareness there Beltex.
Praveen is trying to explain him, sir. North Indians, they are very much eager and they are invested in cryptos. So now it's the right time for them to explain the Beltex and Beltex features and all. I think we are also planning to have a Hindi session also with our team, sir. One of my friends, she's at HOD in RV Engineering College, Bangalore. She's well versed in Hindi, Kannada, and Telugu. We are planning to have a Kannada session on Saturday. If any friends having Kannada, we will be planning to join the session also. Then I think mostly we will be having a Hindi session next week, sir. Next week, Tuesday, we will be having a Hindi session. I will inform you, Bazlur, sir. I think when also recommend to your friends also to get participate there in the session.
Okay.
Fine, Bazlur, sir. Excellent.
Thank you.
Well, sir. Thanks for joining your friends today.
And first thanks to Ranganathan sir. Thank you very much. In the meeting what you have given a very good input and update, sir. Unga language nalla irundhathu, excellent language. So I am very happy to see you here. And Praveen பத்தி சொல்லவே வேணாம், பாருங்க எப்பயுமே ரெடியா இருக்காரு பாருங்க, கொஞ்சம் கூட மூஞ்சில கொஞ்சமாவது டயர்ட்னஸ் இருக்கான்னு.
பிரவீனை பத்தி நம்ம சொல்லணும்னா என்னன்னா சச்சின் டெண்டுல்கர் மாதிரி always ready with his bat.
ஆமா,
always ready. டிஃபென்சிவ் ஷாட்டா இருந்தாலும் சரி, ஷாட்டா இருந்தாலும் சரி.
இல்ல உண்மையாவே பெரிய விஷயம் சார். அது உண்மையாவே வந்து நம்ம எல்லாம் அதெல்லாம் we have to learn from them, sir.
Sir, if you show interest in this field, sir, we are all there in the communication industry. நான் பிரவீன் சார்லாம் எங்களுக்குலாம் என்ன ஒரு பெரிய ஒருனா we have to encourage the opportunity. நீங்க வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்ப இன்னைக்கு அப்ப நாங்களாம் மொபைல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்குள்ள வரும்போது மொபைலே இல்ல. இன்னைக்கு மொபைலே ஃபுல்லா வந்தாச்சு. ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி டெக்னாலஜி அப்படியே ஒரு வித்தின் ஃபியூ இயர்ஸ்ல அப்படியே பீப்புள் வந்து அந்த டெக்னாலஜில இன்வால்வ் ஆயிடுவாங்க. இன்னைக்கு இன்டர்நெட் ஆகட்டும், பாருங்க ஜூம் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 2 years ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ஆன் ஜனவரி நம்ம ஏதாவது இமேஜின் பண்ணி பார்த்துருப்போமா we will be using zoom சொல்லிட்டு. Sir, this COVID is preponing the innovations. The digital era is preponed. 2025 என்னதான் innovations வருமோ, that innovations are all preponed now currently. Within end of couple of years, all the digital products and the online products will be there for our experience. You see, sir, within the end of 2020, most of the segment will be there in the online. Will be there in the online platform. We are very proud to see we are there in the online.
Sir, Ranganathan sir, one thing I want to tell about Murugavel Anna is அவர் வந்து அவரோட இன்வெஸ்ட்மென்ட் கூட இவ்வளவு கேள்வி கேட்கல.
No. When people are interested, when the people are coming to me for asking this something, even if I am telling something is different, and you people are informing them if something is different.
Yeah, definitely.
To explain, and but basically, Arivalagana is also on the Parthiban. All they used to come to me, Kevin, and they used to discuss chat.
Yeah.
But even
இல்ல sir, Murugavel sir, it's a great thing that what you are doing is first starting la how you were just ஒரு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கொடுத்தோன்னு உடனே பணத்தை அனுப்பிச்சு முடிச்சிட்டீங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து பிரவீன் கிட்ட ஒன்னொன்னா ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப்பா லேர்ன் பண்ணீங்க. இன்னைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் போட்டு கொஸ்டின்ஸை கேட்டு எல்லாம் பண்ற அளவுக்கு வாழ்ந்துட்டீங்களா, அதுக்கு சொல்றேன் நான்.
இல்ல மக்கள்கிட்ட பேசும்போது people are started asking me the same question I am posting, even if it is not one man question, it is of collective people of question, so I have put forward into that, sir.
இல்ல சார், இது ரொம்ப நல்லது சார். ஆக்சுவலா இந்த கிளாரிட்டி அந்த கிளியர் விஷன்ஸ் வந்து நாங்க அவங்க பிரவீனும் ரங்கநாதன் சாரும் கொடுக்கறனால என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா, அந்த ரிஸ்க் அப்பிடைட் வந்து இட் இஸ் டிராஸ்டிக்லி டவுன் பை 99.9% சார். அந்த இன்வெஸ்டருக்கு அவங்களுக்கு அதுதான் வேணும். எனக்கு என்ன ரிஸ்க் அப்பிடைட் இருக்கு, அவங்க நாங்க எந்தெந்த விதத்துல நாங்க பாதிக்கிறோம்ன்றது அவங்க ஓப்பனா கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்க தான் இவங்களாலையும் வந்து பரவாயில்ல கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்கறாங்க, நம்ம இதை கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணிருக்கோம்னு அந்த பயத்தை எடுத்தோன்னு தான் அவங்களுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டே வரும் சார். இதுதான் விஷயம். அது வந்து கிளியரா பண்ணுவாங்க. கம்பெனி சைடு வந்து தே ஆர் வெரி வெல் வெர்ஸ்டு. அதுவும் இல்லாம கார்பரேட் செட்டப் சார். ஜிசிசி ஹப்ங்கிறது ஒரு கார்பரேட் மாதிரி சார். அதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஆர்டிசின்னு ஒண்ணு வச்சிருக்காங்க. அந்த பிலீவர்ஸ்ல எல்லா காம்படிஷன்ஸும் இருக்கு சார். அந்த காம்படிஷன் எல்லாம் சாதாரணமா ஒரு கிளாஸ் போய் ஒரு ஹெச்டிஎஃப்சி பேங்க்ல என்ன இருக்குமோ நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்படிதான் ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங் கோட் இருக்கணும், டோன்ட் பி ஸ்லீப்பிங் போஸ்டர், அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் கார்பரேட் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ல என்ன இருக்குமோ அந்த அப்படியே ஜிசிசி ஹப்பும் ஆர்டிசியும் ரெண்டு இது இருக்கு சார். ஒன்னு வந்து பர்சனல் ட்ரைனிங் கொடுக்குறாங்க, இன்னொன்னு வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா விஷன் வந்து கிளாரிட்டியா இருக்கணும் இதுல அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ரொம்ப இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க. நீங்க வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த கிளாஸ் நீங்க இன்னைக்கு எடுத்தீங்கல்ல ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள், இந்த கிளாஸ் வந்து ஒரு கிரிப்டோ கரன்சியோட இதுல 50,000 ரூபாய் ஃபீஸ் கட்டினா கூட யாரும் எடுக்க மாட்டாங்க சார். ஒரு 50,000 rupees நான் கொடுக்குறேன், எனக்கு கிரிப்டோ கரன்சி வாங்க விற்க சொல்லி கொடுங்கன்றதுக்கு சொன்னா கூட who will teach us சார்? சொல்லுங்க.
You are correct Mr. Naveen sir. உண்மையாலுமே இன்னைக்கு வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is an eye opening for each and every investors. இப்போ எப்படி நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஒரு சப்போர்ட் கிடைச்சது, எப்படி இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்களோ அதுதான் நம்ம ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்றோம். உண்மையாலுமே நீங்க வந்து சொன்ன விஷயங்கள் தான் நம்மளோட இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் தான். நான் ஏன் எல்லாத்தையும் மினிமம் 1 lakh coin இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்கன்னு சொன்னது காரணம் என்னன்னா, if they invest about 1 lakh coin, they will be showing the interest in the industry. They started learning about the products. Unless சும்மா ஒரு 10,000 coin 20,000 coin பண்ணணும்னா they will forget about their investment. I am correct, Baslu sir? If we invest about minimum amount, we will be forgetting in our day-to-day life. Oh, only that 10,000, why to take care of that one? We are already invested there about close together. We have to focus on that area. If we invest more, the focus will be more. Then only we can learn. Oh, yes, the return will be more.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, sir. Fine, sir. Fine, friends.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you Murugal. Thank you sir. Sir. Thank you Praveen sir.
Super,
and
super,
thank
sir.
you BMS SK sir. Satish
Thank you, sir.
Arivalaga.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Super, sir.
Thanks to all.
Fine, sir. Thanks.
சார் முருகவேல் சார் எல்லாமே முடிஞ்சது, லாகின் எல்லாமே கம்ப்ளீட்டட்.
ஓகே, நான் பார்க்கறேன்.
அந்த விஜயராஜாக்கும் வந்துச்சு சார் மேட்சிங், அந்த விஜயராஜாக்கு வந்திருக்கு மேட்சிங், செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
நான் பார்க்கறேன் சார்.
ரைட் சார்.
Thank you Murugal sir. Thank you everyone sir.
Bye.
Thank you Basulu sir. Thank you Naveen sir. Bye.
Anna sir, thank you sir. Anna sir, super, excellent.
Thank you sir.
Thank you Praveen. Thank you
Okay,
Rana sir.
bye Anna.
Thank you.
Good night sir. Good night Praveen.
Okay, thank you.
Good night na.